Okay, that's really out of focus, but I think it'll get in focus once my big head's in the camera. Okay, so the point here was, I wanted you to come up, so here's what the formula kind of looks like. I'm gonna write out the Excel formula on the board. So you got years, 0, 1, 2. And then you've got the amount in the account, starts with 100, goes to 102, and year 2, I think it's 104.04, right? 104.04 cents. Okay, and what we did yesterday, the way we did this yesterday, and when I say yesterday, I mean Monday. We put the $100 in the first cell. And then we typed the formula in the next cell. We said, okay, for this cell, we're going to take that $100 and we're going to multiply it by 1.02, and then we're going to drag that down. And we were happy with that. At least we weren't upset about that. We were math class. No, we weren't upset. Okay. Now let me show you what happened in the other 105 class yesterday that brings this question to your warm-up. I want to share this with you because this is easy to do in Excel. I'm going to swing to the front of the room real quick with the camera and then swing back. When folks were working on this yesterday in the other 105, let me focus, if I can zoom in on just the, okay, I think you all can see that at home. These extras. Okay, good. Get a little bit more angle. Total professional. The worst. Shims. That's how my house is put together too. Okay, I want you all to focus right here. Okay, when we were building the original formula yesterday, they did great. They got the $100, and then they put the 1.02 times D5, and then they went to copy, but what they did was they selected both cells. They selected the 100 and the 102 and dragged it down. Now look what Excel does. I was not expecting this. That's what Excel does when you do that. I tried to figure out what it did, and I don't know. I don't know what it did. I think what it did was, since this one is just a number, it copied that number in every other cell, and then the one under it did 2% of the previous cell. So essentially, every other year, you were losing the 2% that you earned going back to 100, which is not the way anybody's bank account should be. But I realized how easy a mistake that would be to make. That's an easy mistake if you're quickly copying and pasting. So I said, you know what? This will be a fun math problem for us to agonize with in 105 tomorrow morning and tomorrow afternoon. So thank your 105ers at 1 o'clock for the fun that you're doing right now. Okay, good. Let's swing it back over here. That's right, 105, 1 o'clock class. Throwing you under the bus. So here's what I want. I want a formula. Okay. To go here that we can drag down. Before we start talking, any ideas anybody has had yet? Totally fine if you haven't.
Just don't drag down the cell.
Wrong. And what I want you to realize is, this is just another Excel quiver, another arrow in the quiver. You're going to learn another way of doing the formula. If you like, when we get done this, you might be like, I don't like that at all. And that's okay. That's totally fine. But as I got thinking about this, I'm like, oh, there's actually is. Colton, you said something earlier in the first question. You were trying to involve the number of months in the formula. The only variable ours is going to have today is the number of years. This is going to be our variable. It's not going to be the original amount, and the formulas are not going to look back. They're only going to look at what year we're in. Yeah, you see what I'm saying now, Ryan? Go, 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 go. In case you're not seeing it, that's totally fine. Let's slow down, and I'm going to, for starters, I'm going to put the $100 here. It will eventually be a formula, but I'm going to put the $100 there. And I'm going to actually copy this formula over to here. $100 times 1.02. Okay? Now we know that's equal to $102. Why is year 2 104.04? Why? Why? What happened between here and here? Can you say it a different way? Not $2, thank you. We added an additional 2%. So in other words, this here is equal, if I may, is equal to $102 times 1.02. Is that believable? Is that believable? People, would you tell me if it's not? I took the previous one and multiplied it by 102 to get here. Is that fair? Oh God, it's morning. This is okay. Okay, I'm gonna go with the person with the head coat. If they're getting it, we should all be getting it. That's good. Okay, good. Now, but if I may, but I think we may. I think. What's 102? Is it 102? 100. Yes, 100 with 2% interest. So if I may continue to be a bastard, I can rewrite this part as $100 times 1.02 times 1.02. Holy hell. You see what's going on here, people? Maybe give it a shot. Give it a shot. It's okay if you don't. We're gonna regroup again. We don't leave people behind in this class. I'll give you another hint in case you're still not seeing it. We invented something in mathematics to prevent us from having to write things like this. Oh God, there it is. Repeated multiplication. What's the symbol we use? You know, Hans just voted her displeasure with the idea of an exponent. Well, it is almost 9. Mindy, I've not let you rule this class properly today. I apologize. Taking control, I apologize. That's okay. I'll be your deputy governor. You're welcome. I'm going to wander around and see if we can figure out how to get this formula in now. Oh, how do you, thank you, Taylor. Taylor's got it. How you put exponents in, use the caret. Use the caret, I'm sorry, I assumed you know how to do this and I apologize. When you used to use your old TI graphing calculators, there was a caret button. That was the exponent. In case you don't know what I'm talking about, that's okay. It's the caret. So if you wanted to do like 3 squared, you would type 3 caret 2. That's computerese for an exponent. Okay. Isn't that fair? Yeah. Ty, continuing not being amused. What's the matter?
I'm struggling.
What's the matter? You don't have to. I'm saying. I want you to do it for the warm up. I'm not making you use these in your. I mean, they're handy. There's so much belly aching today. I didn't see from everybody.
I'm trying to. That's the.
Isn't that clever? I thought that was pretty damn cool because as soon as somebody in the 1 o'clock class did it, I'm like, we can do this a different way. We don't actually have to refer up. We can refer left, which is pretty slick. Let me see what you're saying. But that power's not 2. Check this out, Colton, if I may, and everybody, if I may. Everybody, if I may. Thank you. Everybody except Anj. This one here in year 2 was 100 times 1.02 squared. Okay. This one here is not squared. It's to the first power. There's only one 1.02. You buying this? That makes sense. And then how many 1.02s are up here? None. Yes, now it's like, holy crap. When my teacher taught me that things to the 0 power were 1, I probably asked them, this is dumb, we're never going to use this. I'm sorry if this you didn't yourself, because when you took algebra, you may have, you may not have. But literally, you can, so in other words, look at the variable, you see the variable now?
So you can also just put the caret and H.
Yes, whatever your months are. Or years are, excuse me, years in this case. Yes, you totally can. So I would like to thank the 1 and 3 class for putting this idea in my mind. My favorite warm-ups are the ones y'all come up with. My favorites, absolutely. Yes, I think we're getting some. Oh, you're not. Is that deer? Is that fox gonna kill someone with a knife?
Can we use that for?
Yes. Yes. use it for everything. You can use it for everything. That's what's so cool. You can absolutely use this for everything. Yeah. Shall we together? Yeah. I don't want to rush you, but at the same time, I want to. Yeah. Thank you. I'm going to swing this. I'm going to restart the camera.